In this video, we're going to see how we can download and install Blender 3.0, which is the latest version of this open source software, which you can download and install for free. You don't need to pay anything. You can donate if you want to support the Blender Foundation and the community and all the project. So just click here on the first result, searching for Blender 3. Again, this is the latest version, and it was released a couple of days ago, 3 December 2021. And there have been a lot of improvements in this version. So if you're interested here, you will find all the information. You can see here the features. So you can render, you can create 3D models, you can sculpt, you can create tune effects and video effects if you are working in post-production or in video animation. You can use this for video game modeling, video editing, and a lot of other purposes. So you can then go here one by one to check all the different features that you have and all the improved features. Okay, now let's go here, and in the download page you can click on this button and you will find the Windows installer right here, or if you want you can use other types of operative system installers like the Mac OS or Linux, and you can also get the source code because this is again an open source, free and open source application that you can also study in terms of programming language. Okay, so once you click here, you just have to wait for the software to be downloaded. And again, if you want to support the team here, you can do that with the website. And here I'm gonna select where I want to store my software. So I'm gonna store it into a folder here, and just going to wait for the installer. Now this is not the actual software. You will need then to double click on this and run the installer once that is finished. And you also have some tutorials here for learning the basics. Okay, so we can double click on the installer and we're gonna proceed. This is the new license, and then let's just install. Okay, so we finished the installation here, and usually you will find a desktop icon where you can double click and open up Blender, or you can go in the start menu and you will find it there, or you can search it with the Windows search. And there you go. This is the latest version of Blender right here. Now we are not gonna go further in this video, but we're gonna produce more video guys to help you guys understand how to work and use Blender for your projects, which could be for university or for a particular work that you need to do. So if you want, please support us, support our channel by joining the channel or just by subscribing if you want, and leave your comments, which could be questions or suggestions, and we will be happy to answer, or also other members of the community could answer. Now, if you are a little bit curious, you want to check the version, you can go here on the Blender icon and click on the About Blender menu, and you can see here that this is the version number 3. Okay, so thanks for watching and see you in the next video.